Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tilak long-lasting. First, always prepare your skin properly. A clean, dry forehead is essential for the tilak to adhere well. Use a gentle cleanser to remove any natural oils or impurities, then pat your skin completely dry. This simple step creates the perfect base, significantly improving the tilak's staying power throughout the day. It's a small effort that makes a big difference. Next, focus on your application technique. Apply the tilak with a steady hand and consistent, gentle pressure. Avoid using too much material. A thin, even layer is far more durable than a thick one. After applying, resist the urge to touch it. Let it air dry naturally for a few minutes. This allows the tilak to set properly, preventing smudging and ensuring it stays vibrant for hours. To further enhance durability, consider the tilak's consistency. If using a powder, mix it with just enough water to form a thick, smooth paste. Some people find that a tiny drop of rosewater helps. For extra hold, a very small amount of a skin-safe adhesive, designed for cosmetics, can be applied first. Remember, once it's on and dry, try not to touch it, as this can easily disrupt its hold. Finally, a few maintenance tips. If you notice your tilak starting to fade after several hours, a quick, careful reapplication can refresh its look. Always store your tilak powders and pastes in a cool, dry environment to maintain their quality and consistency. Opting for a high-quality tilak product also makes a difference, as better ingredients often lead to superior adhesion and longer wear. These steps ensure your tilak remains prominent.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.